Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all an amazing 4-bedroom detached property. This is Corkham from Taylor Wimpey. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. This is located in Leeds. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have a lounge, garage, kitchen with living and dining space and a washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a spacious hall in front of you with various partitions made, and towards your right side you'll find a small storage space with door and lock. The mains are given in here. You'll find these kind of similar storage spaces in Taylor Wimpey and Barat homes. So first let's explore the living room, which is coming towards the right side in the front. As you can see, it's a very beautiful living room and quite spacious. Towards the front end you have the bay window, and also towards the right side there's a nice wide window. So plenty of natural light falling in this living room. You can easily plan a corner sofa or 2 to 3 sofas and also a TV set. I also like their window style in this particular model. Do check out the windows on both the floors, they're beautiful. So from this living room here you also have access towards your kitchen and dining space. Overall a decent living room with good style and comfort. Again, it's a very lengthy and comfortable kitchen. As you can see, you're getting a wide spread worktop and also this integrated fridge, freezer and double oven. So these are all included in the price. The kitchen is really wide and big, so you can plan a nice lengthy dining table like this, and there's enough room space to walk around. You also get plenty of cupboards at the bottom and even at the top. And there's also garden access through the French doors given in here. And you'll be getting nice fenced garden at the back. These days in most of the properties, they're actually planning the dining table in the kitchen. Now if you get a very lengthy kitchen, it's good, you can plan towards one side or even in the middle like this. But in the small kitchens it's a bit congested if you have to plan the dining space. Do let me know your opinion. Would you actually prefer to have the dining table in the kitchen, or would you like to have a separate dining space? Now through this kitchen and dining space you also have access towards the ground floor washroom. And there's also garage coming towards the other side. We have the internal access into the garage. So first let's check out the washroom, which is coming in the ground floor. Now this is a little wider washroom compared to other houses which we have seen so far. There's no window in here, but they gave an exhaust. Now let's check out the garage, which is coming here in the ground floor. As you can see, they gave internal access into this garage, which is really a good feature. Not many properties have this facility. And the space is really good. You can easily park 2 cars in this garage. And apart from this, you also get 2 car park space in the front. And also towards the other side, you're getting garden access. So they gave an extra door from the garage. And you can plan your utility like the washing machine and dryer if you want to. They also gave the boiler here in this garage. Normally when you get a garage attached to the property like this, the living space or the kitchen space will be compromised. But here in this particular model, if you observe, all the rooms have got their own space. It's really good. I also like the shelf design which they gave here in the kitchen. It looks different and nice to arrange the bottles. Put your trust into us and we will help you through, 'cause we only... Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. The landing looks good and it's spread out on all the 3 sides. They gave a big window towards the front end, so plenty of light falling even on the landing and the staircase. So let's check out the first bedroom of the house. All the bedrooms in this property are double bedrooms, but the master bedroom will be slightly bigger than the other ones. So this is not the master bedroom. It's a double bedroom, a double cot fits in, and you have really good space to walk around. Towards the side you're getting the wardrobe space, which is neatly designed inside, and towards the opposite side you get a nice big window, so plenty of natural light falling in the room. Overall, a decent room with really good space. It can be used as your kids' room, guest room, or anything you want to. And just opposite to this, you're getting the master bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. You can easily plan a king size bed, and there's enough room space to walk around. So in this room you also have the ensuite, which is coming towards the front end. The window style is really good even in this room. If you can see, plenty of natural light falling in the room. And towards the opposite side they gave the wardrobes. The interiors done in this room also look very pretty. Now through these bedroom windows you can enjoy a garden view. They actually gave very high fence to these properties here, which is a good thing. And towards the opposite side, as I told you, you have the wardrobe space. You can plan a nice wide wardrobe here. Now let's check out the ensuite, which is coming towards the front end. The space is quite okay. You have the walk-in shower, the sink, and also water closet. They gave a window towards one side. So this was the master bedroom in this property. Now let's move towards the other rooms and check them out. Just beside this master bedroom you have another small room with some storage. They actually gave the water heater here in this room. The space inside is really good. If you want, you can plan something additional. Now just beside this storage space you're getting the family bathroom. The space is quite okay. You're getting the tub, water closet, sink, and they gave a nice window towards the front end. So the ventilation is really good. Then everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us and we will help you through. Now beside the family bathroom you're getting the third bedroom of the house. This bedroom is slightly different from the rest of them. It's quite lively and fresh because it's a front facing bedroom. You know, you're getting two windows and plenty of light falling in this room, and even the visuals from these windows are really beautiful. Now it again depends on how your front layout will be, but from this show home, if you just observe, it looks very beautiful. You can actually plan it as a kids room because kids will love these kind of airy rooms, or you can also plan as office space. They also gave a wardrobe towards the other side, but if you look at it, it's actually taking a lot of space in the room. So in these kind of rooms, I normally don't prefer having a wardrobe. But again, depending on your family size, if at all you want to go for one, you can definitely have a wardrobe because still there's room space. Overall, a beautiful room. Now just opposite to this, you're getting the fourth bedroom of the house. The space in this bedroom looks smaller than the other one, but if at all you want to plan a cot, you can still go for one. Here they designed it as an office space, so you can plan a sofa like this and also have an additional TV in this room. I also like the windows designed in this particular room. They gave nice lengthy windows here, so the view from these windows is really amazing. All the rooms in this particular property are really good. Each one has got its own style and comfort. The upstairs bathrooms also are okay, the space and the ventilation. In the ground floor, now you're not getting a window in the washroom, but again, space wise, they gave a little more space than the regular washrooms which you normally get in other properties. So, a very decent property with good style and comfort. Now here I would like to introduce to you all an online lifestyle store, Tivisiy, who has sent us some beautiful Mother's Day gifts. Now this lifestyle store carries animal and plant inspired self-developed night lights, wooden decors, home decors, metal arts and some beautiful women's jewelry. I selected this resurrection picture of Jesus Christ. It's kind of like a small statue. Very well carved with wooden design, and you also have the LED lights fitted inside. So they gave a wire, you have the on off switch and USB port. You can connect it, and if you like you can place it on the study table or in the worship place like this. When you turn off the lights in the night, this illumination, it makes the room look very beautiful. So you have these kind of illuminated images on their website. You can check them out. And the next item, I really like this ring. It looks very pretty. So you have a lot of other earrings and rings and also some bracelets. Do check them out on their website, and if at all you're interested, you can use my discount code. I'll be sharing the link and also the discount code, everything in the description, and also I'll pin the comment. So do check it out. They're really beautiful. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.